Hey everybody, this is Dave and I am Braden's daddy. We are here to do a one box break of 2015 Leaf autograph football jerseys. Random division break number 57. So I'm going to roll the dice here, see how many times we're going to random the names, then we'll random the divisions. We only re-roll Snake Eyes. That one got away there. 2 and a 2. Little Joe. Hard 4. Let me grab the names here. All right, we're going 4 times. Good luck. A 1. Oh, shoot. Hold on. There's 1. 2. 3. And the 4th and final time. Hiller up top. Drew on the bottom. Let me get the divisions. All right, here we go. Good luck, guys. 1. Shit. 1. 2. 3. 4th and final time. AFC West. AFC West on top. NFC East on the bottom. All right, so we got this. Hiller, you got the AFC West. Howell, AFC South. Tick, NFC North. Hitless, AFC North. Shoe, NFC West. Debo, AFC East. Mikey, the NFC South. And Drew, you got the NFC East. All right, guys, let me move this over here. I'm going to pause the video and you guys could welcome back, everybody. There were no trades. There were no trades. So, I'm going to roll the dice. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. What was box 7? What did we open for him? Charlie Joyner. Charlie Joyner was in box 7. So I'm going to roll. If it comes up one of those numbers, we'll take it. Yeah, there we go. First shot. We're getting an 8. So from here on out, we only need the 1 die. All right. Good luck, guys. Good luck. This one's going to the NFC East. NFC East is Drew. This is Phil Simms. I could get that out of the way. Phil Simms, JSA. JSA. Drew says his first jersey hit. See what you do for coming visit your friend? Drew List, NFC East. Hiller says he's a Giant fan too. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Congrats. Congrats. We're going to go right into the next one too, guys. So, I'm going to re-roll this. All right. This is going to be for, let me start over here. So, we are here to do another one box break of 2015 Leaf autograph football jerseys. Random division box number 58. So, here we go. How many times? We only reroll Snake Eyes. We got a 7. 1 and a 6. 7. Uh-oh, he's going to hurt some trees. Don't worry, Hiller. I'm trying to get Hobby Direct boxes. We may have some more Immaculate coming Wednesday. I don't know yet. Only if I could get the Hobby Direct. So here we go. I'm going to pull up random.org. Okay, here we go. This is box 58. We're going 7 times on the names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7th and final time. JJ up top, Wax on the bottom. Now we're going to get the divisions. Nope, hello, chainsaw. All right, here we go. 7 times. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Night Hiller. 5, 6, and the 7th and final time. NFC North up top, AFC South on the bottom. All right, here we go, guys. JJ's got NFC North. Quinn Sorka's got the NFC South and the AFC West. Devo got the AFC North. Wax, you got the AFC East. Shu got the NFC East. Tick, the NFC West. And Wax got the AFC South. So I'm going to pause the video here for trades and get everything ready. Welcome back. Welcome back. No trades, no trades. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm rolling 1 die here. Here we go. It's a 1. Going from the top. Good luck. Good luck. Jersey number 54. Oh my God. Shit. Was that the Colts one? Uh-oh. We got another Giant. NFC East. Who's got him? Shu. You've got an Odell Beckham Jr. JSA. And this one has stats on it. I ain't opening it, but you can see the inscribed stats right there. Very nice. Very nice. Shu. NFC East. He's doing his happy dance, he says. All right, I'm going to pause this video, guys. Welcome back, everybody. This is Dave. I'm Braden's daddy, and we're here to do another one-box break of 2015 Leaf Autograph Football Jerseys, random division break number 59. So what I'm going to do here is roll the dice to random the names, and then we'll do the, that one got away. So 1, the divisions after that. 1 and a 3, we're going 4 again. Let me pull up random.org. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. And the 4th and final time. Devo up top. Shu on the bottom. Let me grab the divisions. All right, good luck, guys. 4 time. 1, 2, 3. And the 4th and final time. Oh, he'll be in here. Don't worry. NFC up East up top. AFC East on the bottom. So we've got Devo. You got the NFC East. Quinn Sorka, the AFC North. Buckeye Holic, the NFC South. Y Punch, the AFC West. Hiller's got the AFC South. Drew List got the NFC North. SC got the NFC West. And Shu, the AFC East. So I'm going to pause this. All right, welcome back, everybody. No trades, no trades. All right, here we go. I'm going to roll 1 die. If it's a 2, 3, or a 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. That's what we're going to do. If it's a 1, I'll re-roll it till we get one of those. It's a 4. A 4. We're going in the middle. All right. Good luck, everybody. Oh, where is it? I don't have any personal boxes left because every box has been has at least one spot taken out, Willie. Where's my cutter? Oh, there it is. All right, this one's going. You gotta be shitting me. This is 3 in a row for the NFC East. This one's going to the Redskins. Deshaun Jackson. NFC East is Deebo. Deebo. Congrats. NFC East. This happened in like one of the other cases we did where we got 3 right in a row of the same division. All right, let me stop this video.